Okay, so we're back and we're gonna talk about how ChatGPT basically set up my entire meal prepping. So this is what I want you to do. Now that you've kind of gone through my last video talking about how you want to lose the weight, what I did, you could take pieces of what works for you. You want to open up ChatGPT and you're gonna type in where you are and be honest with yourself in terms of your weight, where you want to be, and be realistic with that. You know what I'm saying? Like you could just start off with saying I want to lose 15. That's what I did. And then 15 turned into 20, and then I just kept going, and then I ended up losing 30 total. So this is how I did it. Every week I do meal prepping. Now in my last video I know you saw I did a lot of salads, but sometimes during the week I would do like chicken with veggies and stuff like that. So what I did is I went into ChatGPT and I said, chat, look homie, this is what I'm trying to do. These are the foods that I like, these are foods that I don't like. Specific on that. And I need you to create a meal prep that coincides with me losing X amount of weight by this date. So can you give me a meal prep for this week that can still keep me on track? Yo, they'll help you out. Now, they'll give you a blurb of, hey, I remember one time they gave me yogurt. I'm not a yogurt fan. I said, everything's cool, but can you swap the yogurt out for something else? So they swapped it out for something else. I said, I like this, this, and this. They said, bet. And they swapped it for something else. I do this every week. I literally do this every week. And one of the reasons why, not every week, but majority of the weeks, just because if I am sitting back on a Friday, like, what the heck am I making next week? Hey, yo, fuck that. I'm just going to use chat. Chat wagwan. Tell me what we need to do. And chat puts me on game. So start using it. Start using it for that reason. You don't got to use it all the time. But if you're really stuck and you're just like, I don't know how to even start, it can help. It helped me a lot. And yo, they told me flat, like, you need to take how many amount of steps. I was already on it. You need to drink this amount of water. I was already on it. So that even having that was reassuring. And not saying that you can't work with nobody, but this is a way that you can still eat in a way that you're not losing flavor. You're not losing flavor. Because I think when people think about dieting and exercise, they feel like, so I'm going to have to just yam salads. Not all the time. Now, I just chose that because I'm in the season of liking it. It could change. There's moments where I'm like chicken breast in this or steak in this. It all changes. So are you going to try local ChatGPT? I think you should. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more self-improvement tips for 2025 and for the rest of your life. All right? Peace.